Good morning, everybody. It's 3/12/2020. I have the S&P 500 futures, the E-mini. It's been halted. They were down 145. This is a weekly chart of these futures that are live right now. And once again, call us at 702-685-0772. Bear markets pay out big. Bear funds are paying super big. Live trading room daily with entry and exits. Let's get you rolling today. Capitulation. S&P 500. The 11-year bull market is over. Done. And for you new people or investors, you have a wild ride still ahead. And yes, you will get bounces, but there's at least another 10% downside from here, even. And we've told everyone before this ever even happened. And you could be making a lot of money right now by being in this live trading room with the entries and the exits that you can't get. Capitulation opening bell, S&P 500. We're going to look and see where that bottom support level is. And has that fear played its role on this opening bell in the S&P 500? Has been halted.